Hello everyone, and happy Halloween. Thank you for riding out Spooktober here with us at Hollister Hills State Vehicular Recreation Area. My name is Justin, and we are here at our tree graveyard. These trees met their untimely deaths through murder. Though the assailants were never found, the curses left behind these trees are far worse a fate than any reprimand a human could devise. Join me for our final tales of woe. This tree met its end by hatchet. It was hacked down again and again and again. All who participated in its death are cursed to a life of hot, scorching leather seats with no relief forever and eternity. It's quiet here. Too quiet. Legend has it, since this tree had its limbs cut from its body, the visitors have been plagued with a deafening silence as a reminder of the birds that used to perch here. Until their return, this tree will remain watching, waiting. This tree was decapitated. The removal of its head and body was a mercy to its life of being pushed and pulled and backed into. Legend has it, the spirit of this tree remains in the ground, cursing any and all who dare to come near it with an unsightly and painful sunburn. Thank you for joining us on our night of spooky tales. Please heed our warning and be kind to any trees you encounter here at Hollister Hills, lest you too fall victim to their curses. Happy Halloween.